Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. I'm going to get right into how I installed this hair. This is the Bobbi Boss Brazilian water curl hair in 18 inches. Clearly I cut it, but let's get into the install, all the things that I used to install the hair, and then we'll get into the review. Here we are after one pack. As you can see, it's pretty full. I think my early estimation, I'm gonna use 4 packs. We'll see. So here we are after 3.5 packs. I have a half pack left in pack number 4. So I'm trying to hide my band here as much as possible in the front, but I have to run out for brunch and I'm gonna be outside. So I definitely wanna trim this hair and I wanna hide my band. So the way I do that, I just take my scissors and I just cut this band. So I need to look in the mirror to do that. Take the band, scissors underneath. Very careful not to cut my hair. There we go. So now I'm gonna put 2 pieces right here and then I'm gonna cut my hair. I'll come back and show you the finished look probably in a day or so. Okay, so it's been a full day since I installed this hair, about a day and a half actually. I've been to work twice. It was hot, I was sweating, it was super windy, and what I can conclude is that this hair does better when it's trimmed short. I have trimmed this about 3 times. I didn't want it to be too short at first, but when you trim it, you always get the little pieces that stick out, the pieces that need to be trim some more, like this little piece right here. This hair requires work. Honestly, it requires a lot of work, and if you don't have time, Don't get this hair. It needs a lot of love. And this little piece is getting on my nerves, so I'm gonna trim it and come right back. This is the kind of hair that you should only get if you have time to mess with it every morning, to pull apart the pieces that are stuck together. It gives very much cobweb, but it's so cute. Like, it's cute and fun. But if it's windy, like it was here yesterday, if you're sweating, you're gonna want to keep it out of your face. It doesn't feel heavy, but it is a lot. It's just a lot. And when I pick up the pieces, like, the first day, they were already sticking together like this. And you have to go in and trim all these little webs out. So, I mean, I'm gonna wear it for the week because it's installed in my hair, but it's been 36 hours and I've had enough. Like, as I mentioned before, I used 3.5 packs. I have like a half a pack of pack number 4 left over, so it's a really good deal. This hair costs $6.99 a pack at my local beauty supply store. If this came in like 14 or 12, that would be really clutch. If you're going for this look for a short period of time, I'd say that this hair is great for you. But if you're trying to wear it for weeks and weeks, like some crochet hair, it's gonna be a no for me, dog. It's gonna be a no for me. Gonna be honest, probably not gonna wear it for more than this week. So thank you for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a good day.